thought it was over, they thought I was finished, dog. Whole city jump behind me, now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back. The streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of meat. Ramen noodles all through the week. The struggle was ugly, made something out of it.
And they got a free I need to change up something. Demo too. Yeah, I need to change up something because like I be editing. I use the same process when I started from.
And I stay trying.
Yeah, that's what I gotta get to. But I be in a rush getting off of work, editing and shit. I be like, I ain't trying to do it for back.
Mobile device and a computer. Oh, for real. Power director. That shit's simple, man.
A new editing program.
He said it's power director, they be like, this shit like $40 for the whole year.
You let y'all see that?
$70.
This motherfucker outrated that I use. Slice, I pay like $60. Okay, then let me know.
So they got it on the.
We on.
All right, look, man, I just want everybody to know, man, it was a pleasure for me to come up here and finally meet my big dog, 78 Chevy boy, man. I was supposed to come last time and I ain't get to make it, man. The Southern hospitality is real, brother, and I definitely appreciate it. The vibe is good, real people, man. Y'all already know what it is, man. If y'all ain't following my channel, man, it's Swag Gatsby, man. Y'all go fuck with your boy, man. I'm up and coming, you know. My car ain't together, but I'm still kicking up dust, though.
Y'all hear him, man. For real,
Hey, but
man.
hold on, though. This is what I want to say, though, man. If you ain't never seen this car in person, and I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all have, but this is my first time seeing this car, man. And the videos and shit don't do this motherfucker no justice. This bitch a monster, man. And I ain't even look. My mama had to put me on the whole.
Yeah, tell me right quick when you call. When
Listen,
your mama
I called my mom. You know the car named Penny, whatever. I called my mom. I showed her the car. She was like, "Is that copper?" And it just a light went off in my head. I was like, "Yeah, the car named Penny." She was like, "That's what it looks like."
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, okay, now I see what's going on.
Right.
But if y'all ain't seen this motherfucker in person, man, y'all need to see it in person. I don't know when he gonna drop this video, man, but if y'all ain't at the motherfucking car show, I don't know what y'all doing with y'all self.
Yes, sir.
You already know.
All right.
My seven, I'm keeping it my seven, I'm bouncing in my seven, I'm riding.